Keelan, what is climate change?
Climate change is when the permanent or frequent heat or humidity of a certain region is modified over a certain period of time. So this phenomenon basically started in the 20th century due to the production of machinery and the releasing of the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
How does it affect what people are affected by climate change?
All people are affected by climate change, no matter what country they live in. Although some countries do receive climate change effects worse than others. It's not even only people that are affected by this, but also nature. Nature is a very significant part of our world, and nature is affected the most by climate change. Scientists actually approximate that by 2050, if we don't reduce our carbon emissions by 70%, there will be no Great Barrier Reef or the Kakadu plains.
And tell me, finally, what are the causes of climate change?
So the cause of climate change is carbon dioxide emission into the air. This is caused by power plants, and a lot of it is for transport or electricity usage. Another thing is called natural carbon emission. So trees produce a lot of carbon dioxide, as you probably know, because they need to absorb this in order to give off oxygen. Another great cause of carbon dioxide is urbanized and industrialized cities. Because urbanized and industrialized cities contain many, it's quite a lot of traffic occurs in this area. A lot of pollution is released into the air from usually carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide given off by heat or petrol. This goes into the air, and gradually this is decaying the ozone layer. So the ozone layer is a layer around the Earth that is basically our protection from sunlight. So we need sunlight, but too much sunlight can actually affect us, and that is where greenhouse gases absorb the infrared radiation given off by the sun and releases in the stratosphere and troposphere of the Earth.
The diagram that Keenan is drawing, he is showing how the UV rays are deflected off the ozone layer which protects the Earth. Currently at the moment, there is a hole in the ozone layer above Antarctica. This will cause rising sea levels as the ice will begin to melt. This is all because of climate change. In cities around the globe, the CO2 is being produced everywhere, from cars, factories, and this will cause the sea levels to rise, which will cause mass destruction around the world. CO2 is all around us. CO2 is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced by many things in our society today. For example, a car produces carbon dioxide in order for it to move. This greatly impacts the Earth's atmosphere. Other things like fire causing carbon dioxide, or factories that are burning fossil fuels to create electricity for us to survive on, all create carbon dioxide, which ultimately impacts the atmosphere